Over 70% of CFOs say FP&A roles are critical to business strategy. Yet most finance grads lack the skills to land these roles. But that's where we come in. Introducing our financial planning and analysis course. Your step-by-step roadmap to master the tools and techniques needed to succeed in today's corporate finance world. Whether you're a finance student, aspiring analyst, or working professional, this course is designed to make you job ready. So, here's what you'll learn in this course. Forecasting techniques, financial modeling for FP&A, how to build effective budgets, strategic decision-making, and much more. And yes, it's 100% online and self-paced, so you can learn anytime, anywhere. Most importantly, this course is taught by an industry expert and trusted by finance professionals across the globe. And don't just take our word for it. Thousands of learners worldwide have rated this course highly and used it to level up their careers. And when you finish, you'll earn a certification that boosts your credibility and career opportunities. Whether you're preparing for interviews, switching to FP&A, or aiming for a promotion, this course gives you the edge you need. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now and take the next big step toward your career in corporate finance.